I never see that.
Yeah, you should definitely get one. They're the best.
Really
And they're
interesting.
really cute. And they have a really nice little sound, you know?
Can you play that
Yeah.
music for?
I don't know. Wait. Yeah. You play with the little chords. And it's a great way to learn how to use your fingers like on a guitar. So it's really good. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I am fine. And you?
I am great. What was your name?
My name is Indrajit, and I am from India.
Indrajit. Hello. Where are you from in India?
I am from East Part.
Okay. What languages do you speak?
Yeah, here most of the people speaks like Bengali.
Ah, okay. Oh, cool. You speak Bengali?
Yeah, I am Bengali.
Ah, cool. And do you speak Hindi?
Yeah, I know a little bit.
And English, of course. You speak English too. Well, my name is Jess or Jessica, and I'm from this one, New Zealand.
Yeah, New Zealand.
Yeah, I'm from New Zealand. So, today, did you want to look at nature and environment?
No, I just make a smooth conversation with you.
Cool. All right. So, how long have you been learning English?
Yeah, from my childhood,
Mm-hmm.
I learning English from my primary school, then secondary school, and I love learning English. That's why I switched to Cambly to become more fluent in English.
Oh, cool. How long have you been on Cambly?
Yeah, it is over 1 month.
Nice. And you like it so far?
Yeah, a lot.
Oh, yay, good. So, what are you doing at the moment? Are you studying, or are you working, or are you just
I am a
relaxing?
I am an engineering student in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and that's why I am studying from online classes. Our college provides 3 days per week online class.
Ah, so you were studying, what was it, sorry? Engineering?
Yeah,
Did you
electronic
say?
communication.
Ah, okay. And that's at university, is it?
It is Macau, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University,
Ah, nice.
university in India.
Cool. And you're learning online at the moment, did you say?
Yeah.
Ah, why are you learning online?
Yeah,
Because are you learning online because of coronavirus?
exactly this pandemic.
Dang pandemic. So how long have your classes been online? Since what month?
It is 3 days per week.
Yeah, and when did they start being online? Or are they always online?
No, not always. It almost around 10 a.m. to 12 p.m.
But what month? So what month did your classes change to be online?
Yeah, here it is all around May,
May. Wow, it's a long time. 3 months.
like 3 months almost.
Wow. And do you prefer to learn online or you prefer to go to classes?
Actually, I love my friends, so that's why I prefer to go college. But
Mm-hmm.
you know that situation makes all of us to stay home and
Mm-hmm.
some creativity.
Yeah. Yeah. How have you been keeping yourself occupied? What have you been doing to entertain yourself? Have you been like watching movies or what have you been doing?
Yeah, also watching movies, listening to music. And on the other hand, my hobby is painting,
Oh, cool. What kind of painting?
watercolor.
Oh, nice. Watercolor's the best. It's also really hard though.
Yeah, almost, but I used to.
You're used to it. Yeah. Oh wow. What kind of pictures do you paint?
Yeah, I have painted a lot of sceneries like rustic scenery as well as urban.
Nice. Wow. And what do you do with your pictures? Do you put them on your wall?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Nice.
show my I show it my family members and they appreciated it. So that's the I think that is most happiness to
Oh,
me.
cool. So, is that your passion, is painting? Would you think about being a painter? Or you want to work in electronic engineering?
Actually, the engineering lifestyle it is my brain thinks about that and my mind thinks about my the painting.
Okay. So, if you could be a painter, would you be a painter?
Yeah, I it is my I think it would be secondary.
Okay. So, you don't want to be a painter full time. You would want to be something else. Okay. Nice.
Just painted some sceneries by spending my leisure time.
Okay. Oh, nice. And what else do you do in your free time? Do you play any instruments or?
I have a dream to learn the guitar, but unfortunately it cannot. So, after my BTech, I definitely switch to the instrument guitar.
Yeah. Have you thought about learning the ukulele? Do you
Yeah,
know this instrument? The ukulele?
yeah. No, no, no. I don't know that.
So this is an instrument. It's small. It's like a small guitar. It's very small with 4 strings. Do you know?
No, I can't remember that.
Ah, give me 1 second. I have one. I'll show you. I'll get it. Okay.
Oh, I see.
It's a
It is
ukulele.
it is the miniature version of guitar, right?
Yeah, it's like a mini guitar, but there's only 4 strings, and it's really easy. It's really easy to learn, and it's really helpful to learn this first and then learn the guitar. And this is really cheap. These are super cheap to buy.
Wow. So it is such a awesome thing. You saw that. I never see that.
Yeah, you should definitely get one. They're the best.
Really
And they're
interesting.
really cute. And they have a really nice little sound, you know?
Can you play that? Some
Yeah.
music for.
I don't know. Wait. Yeah, you play with the little chords, and it's a great way to learn how to use your fingers like on a guitar. So it's really good.
Very happy
Yeah,
to use it.
and you can travel with it because it's so small.
Exactly.
Yeah, you should think about getting a ukulele.
Yeah, you have such a great habit.
And what?
So you are you have such a great hobby
Yeah,
like that.
I love it. I also like painting, but I'm not very good.
Okay, okay. So uh, and what are, do you teach only or anything else do you do?
So at the moment, yes, I teach on 2 different websites. One is for children in Beijing, and the other one is Cambly. And I also make educational videos. So have you heard of the app TikTok?
TikTok.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that.
So in China, they have a sort of TikTok for English learners. So I make like 30-second or minute-long videos about a specific grammar in English, and they get paid to make these videos. So I also do that. But I have the Chinese one for English learning, so I can use it to teach. But yeah, I do that and I teach. But normally, my job is an environmental advisor. Do you know this? Environmental. This is my job usually.
Yeah, here in this job, what do you do?
I will work for a company and I will tell them the things that they are doing that are damaging the environment and how they can change this to be more eco-friendly and sustainable.
Yeah.
So I analyze their business practices and I help them fix them to be more sustainable for the environment.
Okay, so you have such a creative person.
Just a little bit.
A lot.
I'm very passionate about environmental sustainability, about the environment and looking after the planet. Yeah.
Wow.
I love the job.
Yeah.
Wow. So what are your plans for the future? Do you want to stay living in India or do you want to travel all over the world or?
It is my dream to visit UK or USA or all the country like that, because from my childhood I have dreamed this.
Oh wow, cool. Which one do you want to go to first?
That is California.
Well, now is not a very good time.
Then Florida, and in UK that is London.
Oh, cool. That's really cool. I've never been to the US or to London, but I travel a lot. Right now I live in Vietnam.
Yeah, it is in Asia.
Yeah.
In Asia. It is situated in Asia.
Yeah, it's in Asia. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, I've never been to the USA. I've never been to another English-speaking country except Australia, because it's, right beside. But yeah, I would love to go to India.
Yeah, visit. Please, welcome.
I want to learn Hindi, Tamil, and Sanskrit.
Wow, Sanskrit is in India. It is the ancient language.
And Tamil is the oldest spoken language in the world. I think that's so cool.
Yeah.
Exactly. I want to learn it, and Hindi just for fun.
Please visit. Yeah, after pandemic.
Yeah, after the pandemic. Yeah, it's not too far away. Here's India. I live over here. I could walk. It's only this far away. It's just one step away. Yeah. And with the situation, where you live, do you think it's going to get better soon with the pandemic, or you think it's getting worse?
Yeah, here it is getting better.
That's nice. In Vietnam, it's getting worse. Yeah, it had no cases until 2 weeks ago, and now there are like 400 in my city, in my neighborhood. So I am in lockdown. Yeah.
So what initiative takes the government?
We are in full lockdown. We are not allowed to leave our house. We have to have special permission to go to the supermarket. So we cannot leave. We have to stay in our house unless we have like authority permission. So it's very strict, but it's good.
And while going out, you
face masks, face masks, sometimes gloves, hand sanitizer, distance. Yeah. It was nice to meet you.
It was really nice to meet you.